Hi guys, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Winifred, and if you are new here, I create crochet content tutorials. So today I will be showing you how to make this granny square top. All you need is 3 granny squares. It's very easy and beginner friendly. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Please subscribe guys. Thank you. To start, we are going to be using any acrylic yarn of your choice. I'm going to be doubling the yarn to achieve a medium weight yarn, and we're going to be using a 5mm crochet hook. So to start, we're going to make a slip knot. And you chain up 4. After you chain up the 4, you're going to make a slip knot into the last chain from the hook. So you insert your hook into the last chain, pull 2 and pull 2. So now we've created a middle space. So you're going to be going into this middle space. So go ahead and chain up 4. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, insert your hook into that space, pull 2, pull 2, 2 and pull 2, another 2. So our chain 4 counts as a double crochet, so we have 2 double crochets. We're going to be making 16 double crochets in total. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull 2, pull 2, 2 and pull 2, 2. So go ahead and make 16 double crochets in total, and I'm at the end of 16 double crochets. So I'm back and I have 16 double crochets in total. So I'm going to join with a slip stitch into the back loop. I'm working the back loop for this row. So after I join with a slip stitch, chain up 2. You chain up 3, sorry. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull 2. We have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull 2. We have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull 2. Now we have 7 loops on the hook. Now I'm going to yarn over and then pull 2 all 6 loops, leaving 2 loops on the hook, pull 2 the remaining 2 and then pull 2 1. So because I had doubled my yarn, you really couldn't count the loops, so you should just go ahead with what I was saying. So I'm going to do the same thing for the next stitch into the back loop again. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull 2, yarn over, insert your hook, pull 2, yarn over, insert your hook, pull 2. And you pull 2 all the loops except the last loop, leaving it, making it 2 loops, pull 2 the last 2 loops and pull 2 1. And then go ahead and repeat that till you get to the end of this row. You should have 16 in total. You have 16 clusters in total. So I'm going over 3 times. Don't forget you are working into the back loop. Take your time. I'm at the end of this row. So I'm back and I'm at the end of this row. So you join with the slip stitch, join into the chain 1 space here, chain up 2, and into this very first space you're going to be working in there. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull 2, pull 2, 2, yarn over, insert your hook, pull 2, another 2. And then you yarn over, insert your hook, pull 2 and pull 2 the other 2. And then you have 4 loops on your hook and pull 2 all 4 loops. Chain up 3, 1, 2, 3. Into the next space, you're going to do the same thing. Yarn over, pull 2, 2, yarn over, pull 2, 2, yarn over, pull 2, 2. And for the last time, you yarn over and pull 2, 2. Chain up 3 again. So into the next space, yarn over, pull 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're yarning over and pulling 2, 2, 4 times. pull 2 or 2, chain up 3, and then repeat that till you get to the end of this row. I'm at the end of row 3, so you chain up 1 and you're going to join with a half double crochet. So go into this space, join with a half double crochet. So this is going to be our first corner. So you're going to chain up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and our 4 counts as a treble crochet. We're going to be making 2 treble crochets. So you yarn over 2 times, insert your hook into the same space, pull 2, 2, pull 3, 2, and pull through another 2, make another treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through another 2. So into the next space you're going to be making a double crochet. So make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. Into the next space you're going to be making 3 half double crochets, 1, 2, 3. Into the next space make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. And now we are on to our next corner. So yarn over twice, you're going to make a treble crochet, yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull another 2. You're going to be making 3 treble crochets to the same space. Until you make the 3 treble crochets, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and into the same space you make 3 more treble crochets. So go ahead and repeat this. Make 3 double crochets into the next space. Make 3 half double crochets into the next space. I'm sure you've gotten the pattern by now. Make 3 double crochets into the next space. And we are going to go on to our next corner again. So make 3 treble crochets. So I'm going to make the 3 treble crochets. Sorry, hold on. So I'm going to make the 3 treble crochets, chain up 3, and make another 3 treble crochets in there. And now I'm going to be making 3 double crochets into the next space, 3 half double crochet into the next space. You've gotten the pattern by now, so go ahead and complete it, and I'm at the end of this row. So I'm back and I'm done. So I'm left with the last space. So since we started with 3 treble crochets, so I'm going to be ending with 3 treble crochets. So you chain up 1 and you join with a half double crochet. So you chain up 4 again and you make 2 more treble crochets, making it 3 treble crochets in total. And in the next space, into the next spaces, you're just going to be making double crochet, no half double crochet. So 3 double crochets in each space till you get to the corners, and then you make a treble crochet. So now we are in the corner, you make 3 treble crochets like what we've been doing. Inside the 3 treble crochets, you just chain up 3 and make 3 more treble crochets, into the same space. So after you continue your double crochets in each space, so go ahead and do that. And I'm at the end of this row. So I'm at the end of this row. I'm just going to be completing with my treble crochet. You chain up 1 and you join with a half double crochet, chain up 4, and repeat the same thing for the last row. So this is our last row, so go ahead and repeat the same thing you did for this row. And I'll meet you when you are done with yours. I am back and I'm done with this row, and we are done with this bunny square. So you chain up 1, join with a half double crochet, and this is our first granny square. So we're going to be doing 2 more. For 2 granny squares, we're going to be adding drawstrings to it. So since we are exactly at 1 corner, we're going to be chaining a chain long enough to wrap around our back. So I'll be doing 150 chains. So go ahead and make 150 chains and repeat the video and make 2 more granny squares. And then with the second granny square, make sure you have a drawstring attached to it as I'm doing here. And for the third granny square, you're going to crochet it without any drawstring. Just crochet just like that. So for that one, you just chain 1, cut off your yarn. Go ahead and do that, and I'll meet you when you have your 3 granny squares all together. So I'm back and I have my 3 granny squares, and this is what it looks like. So I already went ahead to position it well, but this is how you're supposed to position it for the drawstrings to face you at the top like this. And go ahead and join with your stitch markers, and you grab a darning needle and yarn, and you join this place. I'm going to be joining from the wrong side, so remove your stitch marker So this is what I have. So go ahead and do the same thing for this side, and I'll meet you when I'm done. And I'll weave in the ends. This is the end product of my work. It's very beautiful and very beginner friendly. Thank you guys for watching to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.